So we're here today with a group of sport management students from the School of Business, and as part of the sport management program of study, all of the students complete a unit called Developing Sport Professionals. The Developing Sport Professionals unit of study is one of many opportunities where students actually get outside of the classroom and are actually engaging with industry leaders. But on this occasion, we're actually here out at the GWS Giants HQ, and students are having that opportunity to see what happens behind the scenes, the strategy of the organisation, the challenges and the opportunities.
We've been really lucky over the past couple of years, working and developing a really close relationship with WSU, one of the partners of the club, in terms of the internship program. It's a really pivotal point in a lot of students' young careers, being able to get exposure as to how a professional sporting environment works, and we're just lucky enough to be able to facilitate that because we know how important that is in terms of bringing local talent in Western Sydney through the front doors and really helping those students develop those skills that they need to start their careers.
So basically, throughout the Developing Sport Professionals, they asked us to find an internship. So I was lucky enough to find an internship out here at the Giants facility, and basically we just applied all our information that we've learnt, not just within the Developing Sport Professional subject, but the whole sport management major that we've been doing. It definitely affirms that I want to work within the sport management region.
The highlights really working with the members, gaining that first-hand experience with the Giants, and getting my foot within the sports field and doing customer service, improving my confidence with people and customers. I'm really liking sports management. I like the work here at the Giants, and I feel like this is something that I'm interested in.
So both of them, I think, came in, like most students do, pretty nervous, obviously, because it's a pretty customer-facing role and you're kind of thrown to the deep end of what we do here. I know a lot of other internships, it's kind of, they take a bit more of a back seat, but these guys are really going to come in and do the work kind of pretty early, and I think both Dylan and Kane are now really a lot more confident in what they're doing. They've also both learnt really quickly, which is good, and their communication has gotten a whole lot better and they're a whole lot clearer and confident in what they're doing, which has been awesome to see. They're both doing really, really well for us, which is good.
And I just had the opportunity today to meet with one of our graduates who is in a senior organisational role and really thriving in that capacity. So really showing that pathway from internship to casual employment to ongoing employment, and then actually being able to build your career with one of our partner organisations.
I had the pleasure of going to Western Sydney University over a number of years, studied a business and commerce degree with majoring in sport management. The opportunity to do internships, the opportunity to volunteer, the opportunities to do pro bono type of work is crucial to your resume. Crucial in the sense that if you be able to build up an experience base that's better than anyone else in your interviewing process, you're going to get in just based on experience.